What are Vedas? Sacred Vedas. Ancient wisdom of Sanatan Dharma. Welcome to our exploration of the sacred Vedas, the ancient scriptures that form the foundation of Sanatan Dharma. The Vedas are considered the oldest religious texts in the world and have been revered for thousands of years as a reservoir of divine knowledge and spiritual insights. In this article, we will embark on a journey to uncover the essence and significance of the Vedas in the tapestry of Sanatan Dharma. The Vedas, an overview. The term Veda is derived from the Sanskrit word meaning knowledge or wisdom. The Vedas are a collection of hymns, prayers, rituals, and philosophical teachings that were composed by seers known as rishis. These rishis, through deep meditation and divine inspiration, received profound insights into the nature of reality, the cosmos, and the ultimate truth. Structure of the Vedas. The Vedas are traditionally classified into four main texts: Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda. Each Veda consists of multiple sections, including Sanhitas, hymns and prayers, Brahmanas, ritualistic explanations, Aranyakas, forest treatises, and Upanishads, philosophical discourses. Rig Veda. The Rig Veda is the oldest and most revered Veda. It contains hymns dedicated to various deities, such as Agni, the fire god, Indra, the king of gods, and Surya, the sun god. These hymns beautifully express the spiritual yearnings, praises, and deep contemplations of the ancient seers. Samaveda. The Samaveda is primarily concerned with the melodic rendering of hymns from the Rig Veda. It emphasizes the musical aspect of the sacred chants and provides detailed instructions on their recitation during rituals and ceremonies. Yajurveda. The Yajurveda focuses on the practical aspects of rituals and sacrifices. It provides detailed instructions on the correct performance of various rituals, including the use of mantras and the precise procedures to connect with the divine forces. Atharvaveda. The Atharvaveda is a diverse compilation of hymns, spells, and incantations. It covers a wide range of subjects, including healing practices, astrology, philosophy, and social customs. It reflects the concerns and aspirations of the people in ancient times and offers insights into their daily lives. Significance and influence. The Vedas are not merely religious texts, they are considered a treasure trove of wisdom and spiritual guidance. They provide profound insights into the nature of the self, the universe, and the ultimate reality. The teachings of the Vedas have influenced various aspects of Indian culture, including philosophy, spirituality, music, dance, art, and ethics. Relevance today. Despite their ancient origins, the Vedas continue to hold relevance in the modern world. Their teachings encompass universal principles of truth, harmony, and the pursuit of knowledge. They inspire seekers to delve deeper into the mysteries of existence and offer guidance for leading a balanced and meaningful life. Conclusion. The Vedas are a testament to the profound spiritual heritage of Sanatan Dharma. They represent the accumulated wisdom of countless generations and serve as a guiding light for seekers of truth. Exploring the Vedas can open the doors to a deeper understanding of oneself and the universe. Join us on this enriching journey as we delve further into the spiritual treasures of Sanatan Dharma.